This is Shweta Patil, and today I'll be explaining you about the connections of relaxation oscillator. Okay, so prior to that, as all of you knew, that this is an IC trainer kit. You just can look at this is an IC trainer kit. Okay, so all these are the IC sockets. You can look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally, 5 IC sockets will be there in our kits. So all these are input. You can look at logic outputs and logic inputs is written. All yellow color pins are for inputs and all green color are for outputs. Okay. So we will be making use of IC bases. So these are the bases. See, you can look at these are the bases. So already I had put an IC. I will show you. This is 555 IC. This is an IC. Okay. 555. So this IC we have to put so that the notch is pointing towards upside. You can look at the IC is having a silver dot on this side. Okay, we have to put it up straight by looking at. Fine. So I'll put this. After putting, how to put in the first hole, your first pin has to be there of the IC. Then you have to press it. Fine. So this is how I am placing the IC. Now you're having some supplies here. You can look at in the kit. You have -15, +15, 0 volt, -5 volt, +5 volt, and all different frequencies are there. So this is all about kit. Then moving to CRO. You just can look at this is CRO. Okay, CRO, wherein you are having this is the power button. Fine, and you'll be getting two probes are there. These are the two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, channel 1 I'm connecting using probe. These are the CRO probes. You can look at this is the probe. Okay, so I'll be connecting half. See, put it, rotate it. Okay, rotate it towards right so that it is connected to this probe. We have two ends at the other side. See, these are the two ends. Okay, so one is red and other is black. Red color is positive and black is for ground. Got it? So this is channel 1. You can look at channel 1, and I can have voltage adjustments done here. See, voltage adjustments I can do. Fine. Here also you can see voltage adjustments can be done. So this is channel 1 selection. This is channel 2 selection. Okay, channel 1 and channel 2 selections. I have to press which channel I want. I have to press that one. Fine. So this is CRO. Okay, then let me show you the registers and all. Prior to that, I like to show you the diagram. So this is relaxation oscillator diagram. Sorry, astable multivibrator diagram. Astable multivibrator is using 555 IC. Fine. Let's first explain you about astable multivibrator. So this is astable multivibrator. IC is this. Whatever you are seeing, NE555. This is the IC. I have shown you the IC, right? So that is having pins, right? So which all are the pins? You can look at 8 and 4 are pins, 7, 6, 2, 1, 5, 3. All these are having connections, isn't it? So pin number 1 is connected with pin number 5 through the capacitor. Okay, pin number 1 and 2 are capacited using capacitor. 7 and 6 are connected using this is resistor. This is again a resistor. Okay, 8 and 4 no component is used, directly wire is connected. In between 6 and 2 again directly wire is connected, and we are having at 4 supply voltage is given +5 volts. Okay, at 3 I have to take the output, isn't it? So I'll show you the resistors. You can look at this is the resistor. This one is resistor. Okay, so this is resistor. What ohm resistor? 5.6. So how the color coding decides? B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. I think all of you remember, isn't it? So B stands for black, B stands for brown, BBR means red, O means orange, Y means yellow, G means green likewise. Okay, so we have this resistor which is 5.6. Okay, then we have one more resistor, which resistor 3.3 we want, right? 3.3 means orange, orange, red. Okay, see this one. This is orange, orange, red. This resistor we have to make use of orange, orange, red. Right. Then we have capacitors, two capacitor, 0.1 and 0.01. You can look at 0.1 microfarad and 0.01. So this is how the capacitor will be. Okay, so this is my capacitor. So I will be connecting these now. One by one, just 8 to 4, we have to short 8 to 4. Okay, the same connections I am doing here, 8 to 4, which is 8. See, this IC I have put, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 from 8 to 4 I'm connecting, right? Then what I have to do? I have to short again 6 and 2. You can look here. 6 and 2 are to be shorted, right? So I'll be shorting this 6. This is 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 and 2. This is 2. Fine. I have connected. Then what else is there? You can look at 3.3K is there, which is connected between 7 and 8, isn't it? I'll take 3.3. This is my 3.3 resistor. I'll connect one end in between 8 and 7 it is, right? Turn this, okay? Take the wire. This end I will connect to 7. Just a second. Yes. Then I have to connect 5.6K in between 6 and 7. So which is 6. This is 4, 5 and 6. In between 6, I'll put it. I'll turn this. Okay. Then what else? We have two capacitors. One is to be connected between 1 and 2. So I'll connect capacitor between 1 and 2. I'm connecting capacitor between terminals 1 and 2. So this is my capacitor which I have connected, right? One more capacitor I have to connect, 0.01 between 1 and 5, right? So I'll connect between 1 and 5. This I have connected between 1. Now I'll connect one more end to 5. This is 4th, this is 5th, right? Yes, so between 1 and 5 I have connected. Then from 3, see from 8 and 4 we have to take one supply voltage, 8 or 4. So I'm connecting from 8th pin. Supply voltage is plus 5. I have shown you the diagram. So plus 5 I have connected, right? Then I have to connect output CRO. Yes. See this? This is the CRO probe positive and this is ground, right? So from positive I have to connect to 3. This is my 3 I'm connecting, and ground means here I can connect 0 volt, right? Okay. So moving to, I have to put it on. I have on it. Then going to the diagram. This all we have done. Okay. This all connections. shorted 8 and 4, connected 7 and 8. Okay, 7 6 6 2. Every connections we have done. 1 and 5, one has to be grounded. I have left that. One has to be grounded. So all these connections we have done, right? 8 to 4 we have shorted. We have connected 3.3K in between 7 and 8. Then 5.5K in between 6 and 7. 6 and 2 we have shorted. 0.1 microfarad we have connected between 2 and 1. In between 1 and 5 we have connected 0.01 microfarad. And VCC also we have connected, right? So I'll be showing you the output. Just a second.